Godot is a free, open-source game engine gaining huge popularity among indie game developers because of its ease of use and flexibility. In this course, we'll be using Godot version 4 and Godot's powerful scripting language, GDScript, to teach you the fundamentals of programming, and along the way, make a bunch of fun games that you can customize and to turn into your own. Khan will be your primary instructor for the course. Khan, what are we covering?
We'll make 3 different games. The first one is a simple collision avoidance game, where we learn all about Godot's fundamentals. These are things like scenes, nodes, instancing, scripting, and more. We'll cover variables, functions, if statements, and other fundamental programming concepts here. In the next project, we're going to make a space shooter game. Here we'll learn all about physics, movement logic, creating user interfaces, particle effects, and more. We'll cover things like creating an enemy spawner, shooting projectiles, keeping track of the player's score and lives here. In the final project of the course, we're going to make a 2D platformer game. This section is packed with information. We're going to learn things like animations, using the tile map node, scene management, to name just a few.
Whether you're an absolute beginner to game development or you've spent some time dabbling in Godot already, this course will have some great learning for you. And as with all Game Dev TV courses, you'll have free access to our world-class support forums and dedicated teaching assistants to ensure you never get stuck. I hope you join us in the course, and I look forward to seeing the cool games you create using the Godot game engine.
Hello and welcome to the course. I'm Khan and I will be your main instructor. In this section, we're going to download and install Godot. We'll continue by exploring Godot's interface and learn the basics of how to use it. Our goal here is to create a strong base of knowledge from which we can build upon and start creating awesome games. Let's start learning. Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to download and set up Godot. First of all, fire up your web browser and go to godotengine.org. This is the official website of Godot, and from here we're going to download it. From the main page, we're going to click on Download Latest, which is down here. This will take us to the download page, and from here we're going to click on this blue button right here. This will download Godot for us, and let's wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, the download finished. I'm going to go into my Downloads folder. Here we have this zip file. I'm going to unzip this. Go into the folder that we just unzipped, and in here we have 2 executables. The first one is the main executable of Godot. The second one is the same thing, but this one creates a console window when you launch it. And this is it. We can double click on this one and start using Godot. And this will launch the project manager. Let me also quickly show you this other one. If you click on this one, like I said, a console window also appears. We're not going to use this one. But like I said, this is all you need to do to start using Godot. You can put this executable at a place you like inside of your file system to easily access it. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I have an applications folder. In there I have a folder called Godot. In here I store various different versions of Godot. For example, the Godot version 3 executables are in here. I also have a folder for Godot 4. In here I have a separate folder for each of the versions that come out. The one that we downloaded is Godot 4.0.2, so it is here. As you can see, I already have it installed in this folder. But like I said, this is all we need to do to install Godot. When we first launch Godot, we see the project manager. In the next lecture, we're going to learn how to create a new project from here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. In this folder, I have all of my Godot projects, and I created a specific folder to store the course project, which is this one, Godot 2D course projects. In here, we're going to create a new folder called learning_Godot, and let's select this folder as the projects folder. As you can see, there's a green tick here indicating that this is an empty project and it is okay to create a project here. Next up, we need to pick a renderer. We have 3 options: Forward Plus, Mobile, and Compatibility. Explanation of these are written here. Forward Plus is what you want to use if you're going to make a desktop game. Mobile is for mobile games, and Compatibility is for making a game for older hardware. In this case, we're going to go with the Forward Plus renderer. and we don't need to change anything else. Let's click on Create and Edit. This will create a new project for us and launch the Godot's editor. Everything that we do is going to happen here. We're going to explore this thoroughly, but that's going to be in the next lecture. Before we end this one, I want to show you the file structure Godot created inside of our project folder. Let's go inside the folder that we just created, Learning Godot. And in here you can see that we have a few files created for us. The most important one is the project.godot file. If you see a project.godot file in a folder, that means that this folder contains a Godot project. We also have the Godot's icon. This is included in all of the projects Godot creates, so this is normal. We have some Git related version control related files. You don't need to worry about these, just ignore these. And we also have a .godot folder, which is also some Godot specific files and folders inside of here. So this is what a brand new Godot project looks like. Okay, so that's going to be it for this lecture. We learned how to create a new project in Godot. Extremely simple and intuitive in my opinion. This is why I like Godot. Everything is really fast and lightweight. Let's keep learning, and in the next lecture we're going to start exploring the editor's interface.